How to use Stripes for beginner. Hey everyone, this is Rose and today I'm going to show you how to use Stripe for beginners. First of all, go to any browser and search for stripe.com. Press enter. Then you will land on this official interface of Stripe where you need to simply sign in to your account. Click on sign in at top right corner. Now you will reach on the home page of Stripe. So before that, first of all, you need to confirm Stripe is available in your country on their availability page. So simply let's open a new tab and search for Stripe country availability and click on the first link. So if your country is listed on the section, then you can easily use Stripes on your country. If not, then you will not be able to. Now simply you need to go to balances and click on add account. And now you have to enter your payout details. After you are done with that, you need to start collecting payments. For that, you need to share a Stripe link for customers to pay on the payment link. And you can charge customer directly or send invoices on manual payment, or you can use Stripe checkout pays for easy payments on hosted UI. Then you can easily add products as well as the customers. You can list products with description and set prices and customers or add a taste customer for transaction. You can use Google Sites to add a buy now button linked to your Stripe payment space. Then verify the payment process works by testing it with a purchase. Customize payment option, create recurring subscription or brand the checkout page. So in this way, you can easily use Stripes on your device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.